my channel, and for today's vlog I'm gonna share with you how I take care of my skin. I'm gonna be showing you how I do my skincare routine, and we're gonna start with washing our face 2 times with warm water. So we're gonna wash our face now using our regular soap. Okay, we're done with cleansing. Now it's time for our facial scrub. So I have here a mixture of sugar, lemon juice, and honey. So we're gonna scrub our face with this mixture. Just scrub it gently. By the way, we used warm water to wash our face earlier, so it can open our pores. We're just gonna scrub it for 3 minutes. And then we're gonna rinse it with warm water again. After rinsing with warm water, we have to use cold water to close our skin pores. And we're done with cleansing. So I have here ice cubes. We're just gonna rub it on our face. This is good for skin tightening. icing is done, and we're gonna wait for our face to dry, and we're gonna put moisturizer. Alright, now that our skin is dry, it's time to put on the moisturizer. For me, I'm just using this aloe vera gel, 92%. It's soothing and moisture. So I use this one because I don't want to use moisturizer with harsh chemicals. So we're just gonna put it on. And spread it out. And wait until it dries up. And we're done. Do this at least 2 to 3 times a week, and you're gonna see the results. You're gonna have glowing and younger looking skin. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!